Hello, and I'm still here trying to focus on the Herman Cain situation. I want to reply to Cain accuser's ex-boyfriend corroborate's story from the Associated Press. They recently uploaded something in the last 20 hours or so, and there's about 33 responses or 35 comments roughly, and I really appreciate them posting this. Actually, I'm kind of surprised that more people haven't come forward with this story yet. I might have missed it on CNN. I kind of usually am on CNN, but I haven't been able to find as much as I want to. And I just really appreciate you posting this, Associated Press, for doing this, because I feel like more attention needs to be shown this. And I just want to address the topic of this. You know, the ex-boyfriend of Sharon Bialek came forward, Dr. Victor J. Zuckerman, and represented also by, I believe, Gloria Allred. And you know, and then several people wrote in comments, about 5 positive with the rest meaning negative, which some just profanity on the page. It's kind of disheartening to see people giving no real feedback. Some of the feedback that I've seen in the past, a lot of comments come, not on this one, but comments, you know, why didn't they come forward before and everything. And all I can say is I'm so thankful to you, Gloria Allred, for coming forward with her and helping support Sharon Bialek on this situation, because I know from personal experience that there's so many of us that are out there that have had things happen to us, and we've tried to escalate it, and the more we try to escalate it, we become the victims, and the criminals keep going free. And so there's left no one representing us, and thankfully this is getting enough media attention where there's people like you that are able to step forward. But with every one of these, there's probably thousands, if not tens of thousands of people that are acute are getting things happen to them. Just like, you know, I don't want to mix the topics here. I just want to stay focused, and I want to bring attention to some of the things listed here. And I just want to share with you something here, some comments, and kind of the gist of the comments that I get together. There's several people that gave some really good comments, but the theme, I guess, that I keep seeing is a very good point. You know, if these accusations were wrong, then why wouldn't Herman Cain just turn around and try to sue them for defamation of character or something like that? And I think that's probably the best response. I appreciate people that have come forward on this thread. I hope I have this right. No more IDs left. 54 Wrench, Zizzo the Dark, Et Nico, all you people that left comments. I really appreciated reading your comments, and I guess I wish I could write like some of you people do. Unfortunately, all I can do is do videos. I don't write very well, and this is the best I can do. But I just, you know, when the news comes on and it talks about the presidency, and personally, I've gotten to the point where I just turn off the TV now if they have Herman Cain on there, because I feel as though, you know, there's all these people that are coming forward and it's not even being addressed. How can I listen to the presidential campaign when, you know, when there's accusations about this person that are not even being looked into fully? And there's been word about that, there's been, you know, talk about that Gloria, you, and the other accusers will come forward and come together as a team to try to address these accusations together against Herman Cain. And I beg of you, I plead with you, for the sake of a lot of us that don't have the media attention like you are getting right now, and I know it's not fun for you, believe me, but at least you have someone like Gloria Allred in your corner. And I mean, from what I can see, who could you, I mean, I don't know much about this, but I know she's a big hitter, I guess, and she's, you know, she has a record for doing some good things. And I don't know all the details of that, because up to this point I didn't know about her, because I haven't stayed in the media as much. But now that this Herman Cain situation is going forward, I just ask that, you know, for the sake of all of us that don't get justice on a daily basis, and we try to accuse people of things and yet it never stands because we don't have representation. I could tell you story after story where I even hired lawyers, paid them money, and they just took my money and left, and even talked to the other lawyers. One particular was Rob Lowe's father, Chuck Lowe. I had someone try to sue me. My lawyer went to Chuck Lowe Rob Lowe's father, the actor's father, and they completely, they should have been kicked off the bar for that. But they just took my money, and I got no representation. And this has happened several times, and they spoke very poorly of me to Chuck Lowe, and I heard that later from my this person that was later suing me, that later had a turn of, for a brief time, decided not to do that. But what I'm saying is this, is just that we need representation, and some of us don't get it. So way to go. I'm all for, I thank you also, Dr. Victor J. Zuckerman, for coming forward and supporting your friend Sharon Bialik. I thank you, Sharon Bialik, for having the tenacity to come forward. I know you're up against a lot, but a lot of us are rooting for you, and we believe you. We believe, at least, we believe enough that it should be inquired, it should be addressed, and Herman Cain should be almost, I don't know if you can force someone to answer these things, but certainly we shouldn't be even considering him for presidency. If, he should have to, as a human being, he should have to address these things. I mean, even anybody would want to defend their name on this, but he doesn't even seem to, doesn't want to defend it. He just wants to keep going forward. Anyway, I'm just very frustrated with the situation, and if there's anything that I can do, I'll volunteer whatever I can do to bring more light to this Herman Cain situation. I would love to do it. Thanks so much, and stay the course. Thank you. Bye.